Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this virtual meeting. My name is Bernd Elbert, Business Development Manager for Healthcare and Cosmetic Packaging at Iniesta Evolution. Today I will give you an overview about styrenics for medical devices and new sustainable solutions for the medical industry. But before we start, I'd like to introduce Iniesta Evolution. Our company was formed in 2011 as a 50-50 joint venture in between BASF and Ineos. Both companies combined their styrene business to form Iniesta Evolution. In 2014, BASF offered their 50% share to Ineos, and since then we are 100% part of the Ineos group. Iniesta Evolution has over 3,100 employees located in 9 different countries with 16 production sites, 5 R&D centers and 22 sales offices. We serve 7 different industries such as construction, toy, sports and leisure, packaging, automotive, electronics, household and healthcare. We offer 1,500 plus products for more than 2,000 applications to over 4,000 customers. Iniesta Evolution has more than 90 years of experience in styrenics and more than 1,000 patents. We at Ineos care deeply about people and our planet. Therefore, we have set ambitious goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2050 and sell 500 kilotons of Iniesta Evolution eco products in 2030. These are strong ambitions and commitments, and we already started implementing this. The medical device market is driven by industry-specific trends like rising ages of populations, people getting older and live much, much longer. There's a strong focus of population on health and awareness for a healthier living. There's an increasing number of new home devices with new designs like small, lightweight and portable. Sustainable solutions for healthcare applications due to too many single-use devices. These trends have implications like increasing product and material requirements. Devices are more robust and complex. Increasing regulatory support requirements. For example, the new medical device regulation in Europe. Additional demand for new digital applications. This is a clear industry trend, which means expansion of our existing product portfolio and a clear path forward on sustainable materials for the medical industry. We as Iniesta Evolution must react on technology trends, home care devices, small, lightweight and portable, existing as well as new regulations, example ISO 10993, USB Class 6, MDR, FDA and foot contact. Sustainability, there is a need for green products with a strong focus on CO2 footprint reduction. And last, cost efficiency and price attractiveness. Iniesta Evolution is doing this by improving and expanding its existing product portfolio, developing new grades and adding new sustainable solutions. Our medical grades are state-of-the-art and compliant with the latest regulatory standards. Additionally, the COVID pandemic has clearly shown the importance of medical devices like test kits and a reliable healthcare system. Sustainability is a key driver in many industries and at Iniesta Evolution as well. There are several options for recycling or CO2 footprint reduction. Our focus areas at Iniesta Evolution are littering and waste reduction and CO2 emission reduction. There are several technologies that can be used to recycle styrenics. First, mechanical recycling, followed by dissolution, depolymerization, pyrolysis and gasification. Especially for medical devices and applications, only feedstock from pyrolysis or gasification could be used due to strict regulations and market approvals. Iniesta Evolution is actively working on these technologies, but it requires some more time to build the infrastructure around this, like waste management, supply chain, and others. So what kind of sustainable drop-in solutions are available now for medical devices? Polymers made by using renewable feedstock instead of fossil feedstock is currently the one and only drop-in solution in the medical industry. Kitchen or wood waste is used here as biofeedstock. There are no dedicated plants for fossil-based and bio-based feedstock. So fossil and renewable feedstock are combined in the same plant, and the amounts are controlled via a mass balance system of accounting. The resulting bio-naphtha is fed into the crackers, resulting in basic organic chemicals and finally in bioattributed polymers. The bioattributed resins sold to the customer should correspond to the amount of bio-based raw material. The manufacturing sites, the sourcing and production processes, as well as the resulting polymers, are certified by an external certification institution, ISCC, or International Sustainability and Carbon Certification. These bioattributed polymers have no compromise in performance and require no new registration or regulatory approvals, and thus are the perfect solution for medical device manufacturers or OEMs. The final product is physically and chemically identical to our fossil-based grades, but with a significant carbon footprint reduction, without competing with land use. Our current eco-portfolio range for medical devices consists out of Styrolux, Styroflex SBCs, NAS SMMA, and Novodur Eco ABS, and more products will follow soon. As an example, you may be able to design a complete IV set with styrenic eco-solutions from Iniesta Evolution. The connectors in such an IV set can be made from Terlux, Xyla, Styrolux, or the eco versions of these grades. Polystyrene or ABS are the materials of choice for the roller clamp. Drip chambers, they must withstand specific requirements during processing, assembly, or end use in hospital. Styrolux Eco is the material of choice for the drip chamber. The spike on top of the drip chamber could be made out of NAS or Novodur Eco material. The tubing can be extruded with our soft Styroflex Eco grade. So complete sustainable solutions are possible with bioattributed grades from Iniesta Evolution. What's more, the carbon emissions can be reduced significantly. For the Styrolux Eco grades, the CO2 reduction is between 37 and 74%. For Styroflex, 37 up to 85% reduction. And for our NAS SMMA grades, up to 93%. For Styrolux and Styroflex grades, we can offer 100% bioattributed styrene content, which results in a neutral or even negative carbon footprint. A neutral or negative footprint is possible because the biofeedstock originates from plant materials. Plants sequester carbon from the atmosphere, enabling it to be locked within the naphtha. The amount of carbon locked is greater than the production processes and other feedstocks, creating a negative carbon footprint. For medical applications, our target segment is IV systems and fluid delivery devices, like tubes, connectors, drip chambers, roller clamps, and other parts, as shown before. Another example is our product Novodur HD. The target segment is respiratory and drug delivery devices. Insulin and auto-injector pens, as well as inhaler housings, can be made from Novodur HD ABS or the sustainable Novodur HD Eco ABS. Terlux MABS or Xyla MBS are tailor-made for transparent or colored mouthpieces or cartridge holders. The spin wheels of an injector pen, which require a high stiffness, are made out of our glass-filled Novodur HD G3 ABS or the Novodur HD Eco version. The CO2 footprint reduction for medical eco ABS is about 71% compared to standard medical ABS. Iniesta Evolution offers many grades for the medical industry. We have materials for the different medical market segments, like IV system and fluid delivery devices, respiratory and drug delivery devices, diagnostic equipment, medical packaging, surgical instruments and orthopedics, and labware applications. Environmental friendly grades, like our Iniesta Evolution Eco portfolio for medical devices, offer a drop-in solution for many of these medical applications. You offer the device, we offer the material solution. Please feel free to contact us if you need more detailed information or if you would like to discuss your application in detail. Thanks for listening.
Yeah, so hello everybody, a warm welcome from my side. My name is Bernd Elbert. I'm the responsible business development manager for healthcare and cosmetic packaging. Yes, you joined this live event talking about sustainable solutions for the medical industry and have now the chance really to ask some questions. And for this, please use the chat function and I try to answer all your questions. So the chat is open. Who comes first serves first. And if there are no questions, I hope that everything was quite clear. Otherwise, if you would like to ask some questions, we will also show my email address. You can also address your questions directly to me, contacting whether me under my email address or going via our info point. And questions for the healthcare industry will be automatically addressed to me. Okay, we will wait another 10 to 20 seconds. If there are no questions about sustainability, especially for the healthcare industry, we may finally close this call and this live event. And yes, just come back to us if there is something we can do for you. Okay, guys, thank you very much. There are no open questions, and thank you for joining this event and hope to see you somewhere. Thank you.
Driving success together.